broken backs, stacked high with lies, a twisted pact. Every order burns like chains, but we've learned to love the flames. Crowned in arrogance, drunk on control, a kingdom forged from stolen souls. But towers crumble and empires fall. Your ashes will scatter, we'll bury it all. From the ashes of authority, we rise, we roar, we're finally free. Your power's nothing but debris, we'll scorch the sky, no more tyranny. Your words are venom, your hands deceive, a legacy no one will grieve. You thought your might could silence cries, but rebellion thrives where truth collides. Cracks are forming in your golden shell, every decree a tolling bell. We are the storm, the breaking tide, your reign is over, you can't hide. On the ashes of authority, we rise, we roar, we're finally free. Your power's nothing but debris, we'll scorch the sky, no more tyranny. Burn your flags, tear the veil, your empire ship will never sail. The people scream, the tables turn, a brighter world where your rule burns. No more chains, no silent cries, we claim the night, ignite the skies. Every spark a testament to the lives you tried to circumvent. From the ashes of authority, we rise, we roar, we're finally free. Your power's nothing but debris, we'll scorch the sky, no more tyranny. From the ashes of authority, your name erased from history. We stand as one, our destiny, built from the ashes of authority. Lays down, the night turns still, no crown remains, no king to kill. From the ashes we claim the right to forge a future in the rebels' light.